Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Midge and today I'm going to be teaching you about 5 camera shots that anybody can use to spice up and tell their video stories better. I'm going to be teaching you some of the 3 basic shots and then 2 shots that are my personal favorites, but I'll leave them to the end. So without further ado, I'm going to explain all these shots to you using a deck of cards. The first shot we have is a wide shot, and a wide shot typically uses a 16, 24, or 35 millimeter lens, something with a large field of view so that you can see as much of the environment and your character in it. So in that way you contextualize who your character is and how they relate to the environment. Now the next shot typically uses a 50 millimeter lens and it's called a mid shot. It's a mid shot because it's neither close up nor super wide, so you can still show the background and still show the environment your character is in, but you're placing emphasis on that character. So the audience knows that they need to pay attention to whoever's talking or whatever's going on in frame within the context that it's happening there. The final shot is the close-up, and the close-up is mainly to tell detail. It's to really pull out a detail within a frame, within a scene. Maybe it could be of a ring, a person's eyes, an emotion, or even in this case, like a super close-up of just the pip of that corner of that playing card. It tells the audience that you should be looking really closely at this particular detail. Now with those established, I hope you understand a bit more about why you're going to use some of these shots. So we're going to move on to the second 2, the sliding shot and the one take. Now the sliding shot does something the previous 3 shots can't do, which is it can add dynamic fluidity into your shot, because you can start on a close-up like I did here of this mug and then end on a wide, and that change in shot makes the audience pay attention constantly because new information is being revealed to them more and more. So for instance, in this shot you saw the mug and then you saw the controller, then some of like the hard drives and stuff, and this constant adding information gives your audience a better context of what they should expect within this scene. Now, my favorite shot of all time is known as the long take, right? It's not necessarily a shot, it's more of the camera just keeps rolling and the shot keeps changing, but it's not done within a cut, it's done with one continuous shot, right? So your one clip could be 5 minutes long, 10 minutes long, and it still changes the shot. I have my friend, my flatmates dress up, so we're going to do the shot, and what we ended up doing was we started on a close-up of him, transitioned into a medium shot, then into a wide shot, then back into a medium, and then back into a close-up. And what that does to the audience is it makes them continuously pay attention to your screen and to the film because the shot keeps changing. It's kind of like having a cut, but you just don't have a cut. You have to work with what's there. Another reason I really love the long take is there's no way you can cheat the scene. The scene has to work, the acting has to work. And as a result, there's no easy way out. Everything has to be perfect. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that little video. If you did, please like and subscribe and all those lovely things. It helps me know what works and what doesn't work in terms of what kind of content you like to see. And I hope that the video helped you out and helped you understand how to use different shots for different pieces of your story, because ultimately that's what we're doing. We're telling a story. And a shot and a lens and all these things are just a tool at your disposal. And what I said earlier in the week in one of the videos, which was if you shoot with intention, all your tools are there. If you don't know what you're shooting or why you're shooting it, everything just starts to fall apart, and I think that's a shame. So yeah, I will leave it there. I will see you next time, and I hope you have a good day.